Can you crawl to the grass now, dog?
Come on, bro. Just crawl to the grass.
You have to crawl to the grass, nigga. You have to. And I'm gonna let you sleep. We're not gonna bother you no more. Alright?
Come on, bro. Just to the grass.
You have to, nigga. Like,
Wait.
huh?
Wait.
We've been waiting, nigga.
We've been waiting for like 20 minutes.
Like, you ain't got nothing left in you for what, probably, so.
Fuck no.
So, like.
Wait.
You ready? Come on, you got 10 more seconds.
Come on, bro.
2, 9, 8. Okay, come on.
Come on, bro.
Come on, nigga. Just crawl.
Wait.
Crawl to the grass over here, nigga. Damn, nigga, for real.
Let's go smoke a bowl and see if he comes after.
He ain't coming. He's like a bitch. What did he say? He said,
Smoke a bowl, I'll be ready.
dude, you have to come to the grass, nigga. You have to.
Come on, bro. It's like right there.
My mom got people coming here.
Where?
Huh? Right around the corner, nigga. Just right around the corner right there in the grass. And we ain't gonna fuck with you.
You gotta crawl that far, bro.
Dude, just so nobody's gonna see you. Alright, come on.
Alright, you getting up?
Dude. You can do it.
You can do it.
See you, senor. Alright, come on. Alright, come on, Josh, let's drag it.
Alright, bro, we about to drag you.
For real.